Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a channel in Zoom. Channels are a great way to organize team conversations around specific projects, departments, or topics, making it easier to keep everyone on the same page and avoid cluttered inboxes. First, open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have multiple Zoom profiles for different organizations. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Zoom interface where you can access all your meetings and chat features. Now, look over to the left sidebar of your screen. Here, you'll see several options for navigating Zoom's different features. Click on Team Chat. This is where all your one-on-one conversations and team channels live. It's essentially Zoom's built-in messaging hub that keeps your communications organized and accessible. Once you're in the Team Chat section, navigate to the plus button, which is typically located near the top of the interface. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with different options. From this menu, click on Channel. This initiates the channel creation process and opens up a new window where you can configure your channel settings. The first thing you'll need to do is type the channel name in the channel name field. Choose something clear and descriptive that immediately tells people what the channel is for. For example, if it's for your marketing team, you might call it Marketing Team or Campaign Planning. A good channel name helps members quickly identify where they need to go for specific discussions. Next, you have the option to add a description in the description field. While this step is optional, I highly recommend adding one. A brief description helps new members understand the channel's purpose at a glance. You might include details like what topics are discussed there or what team uses it most frequently. Now, you need to select your channel type, and you'll see two options here: public or private. A public channel can be discovered and joined by anyone in your organization, which is great for company-wide announcements or general topics. A private channel, on the other hand, requires an invitation to join, making it ideal for sensitive discussions or specific project teams. Choose the option that best fits your needs. If you'd like to add members right away, you can do so at this stage, though it's completely optional. You can add members through their name, email, or even by selecting from existing channels if they're already part of your Zoom workspace. This is especially useful if you're creating a private channel and want to immediately include your core team members. Finally, once you've configured everything to your liking, click Create Channel. Your new channel will be created instantly and will appear in your team chat sidebar, ready for conversations to begin. And there you have it, you've successfully created a channel in Zoom that will help streamline your team communications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.